Hey guys, Wakas here. Are your iPhone notifications suddenly not showing up after the iOS 27 update? Maybe you're only seeing new messages when you actually open the app, or you are missing WhatsApp, Instagram, email, or text notifications completely. Don't worry, before you reset anything, try these quick fixes. First, check your notification settings. Open Settings, tap Notifications, and select the app that's not sending notifications. For example, if WhatsApp isn't working, tap WhatsApp and make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Also, make sure Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners are enabled. If you want sound alerts, make sure Sounds is turned on as well. Next, check Focus Mode. Go back to Settings, tap Focus, and check whether Do Not Disturb or another focus mode is active. A focus mode can prevent certain apps from showing notifications, so turn it off temporarily and test your notifications again. There's one more setting you should quickly check. Go to Settings, Notifications, then Schedule Summary. If it's turned on, some notifications may be delivered later instead of appearing immediately. So if you want instant notifications, turn Schedule Summary off or make sure the important apps aren't included in it. Finally, restart your iPhone. After it turns back on, send yourself a test message and see if the notification appears normally. And if the problem started immediately after the iOS 27 update, go to Settings, General, Software Update, and check if another update is available. So, if your notifications aren't working after iOS 27, check Notifications, check Focus Mode, check Scheduled Summary, and then restart your iPhone. These are the first things I try before doing anything more complicated. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more quick iPhone tips. I'm Vakas, and I'll see you in the next one.